Hi, welcome to HR Easily. In this video, we'll take a look at how to set up a leave policy with HR Easily. To do so, go ahead to Company Leave Info through the left sidebar. From here, scroll down to Leave Types. Then, click Create button. In the pop-up screen, input the necessary information based on your leave policy. In the basic setting, put the leave name and indicate how to count days. With this setting, you can select how to calculate a particular leave, whether you want to be calculated as working days or calendar days. Working days means only business days are counted as leave. Weekends and company holidays, those on calendar, do not count as used leave. Calendar days means every day is counted against your leave balance, even if some days fall on a weekend or public holiday. If you like to set an unpaid leave, with this setting enabled, any unpaid leave taken by employees can be synced seamlessly into the payroll. Next, indicate how do you want to set the entitlement for this leave. You may also set leave entitlement increases after a set period. With this setting enabled, leave entitlement will be renewed based on employee's join date, and you can assign different max entitlements based on an employee's number of years of service. Example, assuming an employee is entitled to 7 days annual leave in year 0, upon confirmation, 14 days in the second year, more than 24 months, 20 days in the fifth year, more than 60 months, and so forth. The setup in HR Easily will be as follows. Another thing, put the leave entitlement here if the leave balance will be the same for each year. With the Use Common Leave Year Period setting enabled, leaves will now be refreshed based on the date defined under this setting. Next, let's quickly set up how to assign the leave entitlement for employees. First, we have employee receives full entitlement up front. With this setting enabled, once the leave is assigned to employees, then employee should receive the full leave days assigned to them. Next, we have employee receive a prorated amount according to company's leave year period. With this setting enabled, common leave year period will be mandatory. Leave entitlement will be assigned by using the prorated amount based on employee's join date. If the leave entitlement increases after a set period setting is also enabled, only after upon completion of 1 year, employees will receive their next year increment. Upon enabling prorated leave, you may choose to set the rounding options. Lastly, we have employee earns a portion of the leave entitlement after each month of employment, commonly known as earned leave. With this setting enabled, leave entitlement will be prorated based on the number of completed months of service and will be assigned every month. Upon enabling earned leave, you may also choose to set the rounding options. Now, let's take a look at leave rollover setting. Allow rollover days to next year, also commonly referred to as brought forward or carried forward leave. As the title suggests, this setting allows for leftover leaves to be rolled over to the next year. Example, Company A allows employees to roll over up to 5 days annually, but must be utilized before then the end first quarter 31st March. The setup will be as follows. Lastly, we also need to define leave application settings. Firstly, we have this leave can be applied for. This setting allows you to determine when the staff can apply for leave. By default, the system will set it into immediately, which means upon assigning leave types to employees, they'll be able to apply for leave as soon as possible. Upon confirmation, we'll require an employee to have a confirmed employment status to be able to apply for leave. After a fixed period, we'll require an employee to work for a certain period, days or months, before they're able to apply for leave. After a fixed period, or upon confirmation, whichever is earlier, will require an employee to have a confirmed employment status, or work for a certain period before they are able to apply for leave, whichever is earlier. Next up, we have minimum leave taken. We'll require an employee to take a minimum of some number of days when applying for particular leave type. Lastly, indicate minimum days of notice. With this setting, it will require an employee to apply for leave some number of days prior to actual leave date. Ensure you've set the leave policy accurately. Lastly, go ahead to proceed with this setup by hitting on the Save button. With that, we've come to the end of creating leave types tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful. Until our next video, take care!